In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Image Skincare Ageless Total Resurfacing Mask. What I do is I help women to be confident and to not criticise themselves when they don't have makeup on, especially mothers with children, because we have busy lives, so we don't always have the opportunity to take that 15 to 30 minutes in the morning to apply all the makeup on. So most of the time something's going to crop up where we need to run out the door with no makeup on. So it's just really to help you have that confidence that you're able to leave your house comfortably by just taking a few simple steps in your skincare routine at home. So guys, welcome to Skin Time with Caroline. I upload videos weekly to YouTube, but what I also want to offer you guys today is a sticky discount, and what I mean by that is you will get 20% off our online skin shop, and you'll also hold on to this 20% for life as a thank you for supporting our online skin shop on havanaskinclinic.com, and you'll get full details below this video. Image Ageless Resurfacing Mask is personally one of my favourite products from the whole Image Skincare range. You're never going to see me without this product, for the simple reason that I cannot recommend this product highly enough for the results that it gives to my skin, for brightening it up when it's dull and resurfacing it and making it just look much fresher when it looks pretty dull and no life. So I swear by this product. I would use it generally once per week, but it's great for anybody who has rough skin, anybody who suffers with congestion or blackheads, because it's going to deeply cleanse your skin and it's very clarifying. The product contains microcrystals with a 17% blend of glycolic, lactic and salicylic acids. So the glycolic is going to gently exfoliate your skin and resurface your skin at the same time, removing all the dead skin cells. The lactic acid is going to help to lighten and brighten your skin. So it can be great for anybody who suffers with hyperpigmentation. The product can be used 2 to 3 times per week, or even just once a week. I like to use this product once a week as a mini peel at home. How I do this is, and what I usually recommend to clients in our 3 clinics, would be to start off using this product as a 5-minute treatment for a mini peel, and then increase by 5 minutes every week. So you'll build that up to a total of 30 minutes and you'll see brilliant results, immediate tightening, brightening and lightening of your skin by the following morning. You can also mix this product in to enhance any cleanser that you might already use at home, and it's also got anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties in the product, so it can be great for oily and acne prone skin. So that's just one of the products that I love from the Image Skincare range. So I'll leave the details for this product in the description below this video for anybody who's interested in trying it out. Make sure to use the link below, because that's where you're going to get your 20% off our online skin shop also. And I'll leave a couple of other products that I use myself personally that I highly recommend. If you want to go and look at the videos on them to find out more about them, feel free to do so. As I said before, if you're new here, for anybody who is new, what I do is I help women to be confident and to not criticise themselves when they don't have makeup on, especially mothers with children, because we have busy lives, so we don't always have the opportunity to take that 15 to 30 minutes in the morning to apply all the makeup on. So most of the time something's going to crop up where we need to run out the door with no makeup on. So it's just really to help you have that confidence that you're able to leave your house comfortably by just taking a few simple steps in your skincare routine at home. So thanks for watching today's video. I hope it brought you value. As always, feel beautiful, be happy, confidence is key. If you get value here, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. If you have any questions whatsoever, make sure to leave them in the comments below this video, and I'll get back to you personally myself to help you out. And also head over to my private Facebook page, Skin Time with Caroline. The details will be below this video, where you'll get much more skin tips and anti-aging techniques and lots of tips and tricks on how to care for your skin.